Things you didn't know. How to get rid of those pesky YouTube suggestions and ads. Are you tired of wanting to show a video to your class, but you get these pesky ads in addition to all of these obnoxious suggestions and just too many opportunities for your students to get distracted? I'm going to show you something that's going to stop you from ever needing to press this skip ads button again. Once you've selected your video in YouTube, if you're ready to copy and paste your link, I have one extra step for you. In the navigation bar, using your cursor, you're going to place a hyphen between the T and the U in tube, just like that. Once you've placed your hyphen there, you're ready to copy and paste that link anywhere that you want to share it. Going to turn my link into a hyperlink. Now, if I click my YouTube link, it will bring me directly to that video, full screen, no ads, no distractions. Hope you find this tip useful.